So today we catch another unboxing, guys. So pero this is not for a sponsor, it's just because we have 34,000 subscribers, so we are very excited. Also we have a new follower because we count also the old channel, because Xmandre have other channel before. I have other 3 accounts. The first is Xmandre Dimple, have 70,000 subscribers. Then Xmandre Guitar have 15,000 subscribers. Then Xmandre World Martial Art have 17,000, and then Xmandre 81 have 1,850,000 subscribers. So all together now I count, so our follower is 1,874,567 followers. This is all, also the old account. All together we have 1,874,567 followers. So I will say to all, because 20 years we are here, 20 years. So this is for this, because I'm very excited. So we buy something. Okay, allora, this is the new shoes. It's from Shopee. It's not the real, but it's very good. It's like Nike hair. How to say Dimple? Dimple?
Yeah.
How to call this one?
Sneakers.
Sneaker from Shopee.
Yeah, like it's only how you call
So this is the first one. Okay, remember.
first class.
First class. Okay. From Shopee. So I hope also Shopee like our videos. Okay, this is the first. Good. Second one is another pair, but it's brown, because me I like to use sometimes the pants brown. So it's another Nike hair, first class.
Made in Vietnam.
Made in Vietnam. Poi, this is from my birthday, pero I want to remember because it's like CEO. This is expensive, eh? The other is very discounted now in Shopee. So if you go in shopping, no, the Nike.
Ah, yeah.
Nike is in Shopee. But this, where is this chain? Vero, the chain. Very good, very elegant sport.
116, I guess I buy that.
And poi we have the new one. It's original. Wow, this is for my wife, Dimple, and for the 34,000 subscribers, 1 million. Woo, almost 2 million. Wow, everyone. So this is, well, it's like Cristiano Ronaldo, Puma, one of our favorite brands. Me, I buy all the Puma before, so the first time that I buy to Dimple. Wow, guardate guys. Before I have me the white and red, so I have the yellow and black. So it's the first time that my wife, she had the white pink. Because me and my Kevin, shout out to Kevin, my brother-in-law, that he buy every time Puma. For me, I buy or Puma or Asics. But yes, sometimes also Nike, depends, and Adidas.
Don't put in the mouth. Don't put in the mouth. Give
So
me.
I have a lot of original this. So it's the first time I'm very proud to show to you all the followers. Because we are growing still, we are growing. So also I'm doing the update of the title. That when you understand that is a family, Filipina, Italiano. It's a friendly family, Filipino, Italiano. So there is everything for family. Family friendly. Oh, it's the first part of the unboxing. Let's go to the second part. It is wow, guys. It's a second hand because in Philippines is famous for second hand. That you come with $20, you buy 100 t-shirts. It's very good. Balenciaga. So there is also good brand. Oh, there is something that you look like. I know you are soccer. So there is the Chelsea number 8. So it's Steven Gerrard. Andy Cole t-shirt. So this is look original this. It's made in China, but look almost original. It's the number 8.
Hey, Mom, this, you close the phone. Mommy,
We have a
Mommy.
polo.
Close the phone.
We have a polo.
From H&M, Dad. From H&M.
Pikachu! Where is Pikachu?
This one is for me.
Pikachu!
Yeah, this one for
The
me.
first Pikachu t-shirt, guys, for the 34,000. Yeah. And 1,874,000 subscribers. I want to say to all, this morning I wake up, I say to my son, do you know what is the name of the people that live in China? I say, Chinese? No. First name and second name. Bruce Lee. What is the name of all the citizens? I want to know. So I want to know the name of all the subscribers. Name, second name, and nickname. Come Pikachu! So, what is the name of every citizen? They are a lot. They also in my place in Sardinia. What is the name of every citizen? Francesco. Because you say Chinese, grazie. I want to know every name. Wow, this is very high key. So thank you for all the sponsors that you support us for this, because sometimes we go, we hike in the mountain. We have also the passport now for be hikers. Wow. It's very professional for hikers. What we have for my Dimples, something fashion. Ecco. Michigan. Wow. Fashion. Chanel. So this is a special unboxing. No sponsor. It's only for celebrate with all the followers. It's Chanel. Poi we have one of our favorite brand.
That is original na second
It's
hand.
original, guardate.
Second hand.
The original is Korea or Japan? I don't know what language.
Japan. Say down also.
It's for tennis. So there is the panda. Wow. But there is also another original. It's very family friendly. So if you subscribe, if you watch until now, you must subscribe because only the 12,000 of our subscribers, they watch also you. If you are already subscribed, watch and share to a comment. But if you still not subscribe, subscribe because 80% of the people that are watching, they still not subscribe. Wow, this is Cristiano Ronaldo. Nike.
It's done then.
Okay, this is done. But there is something for Darlene, I think. Cosmic Code. Ah, it looks like Sardinia. Something. Because me I'm Xmandre, that I'm from the region Sardinia. It is the summer holidays region. It's Rome. Okay, this is the color. Shout out to Kevin, that is supporter of Rome. So we have also for the supporter of Rome, the capital in, because I like soccer, so there is Chelsea, Juventus, Rome, the first t-shirt Rome we have. So Francesco Totti, this for Rome supporter. So we have other. Ok, guardate qua le piuma that we have. So it's very nice unboxing. So everything is forever support also the kids what they like, because every family, if you are good at the school, if you are harmony in the family, you must do something like that. Gift, you feel happy whole. So thank you so much. See you next video. Ciao.